discuss, if the organ is balanced, okay, when we check the pulse, the normal pulse rate and the individual organ, the pulse is same. For example, when we check the like 3 pulse,
Yeah.
the speed was the pulse, for example, 70 to 75. Okay, 70 to 75. When we check the individual pulse for the each and every organ to check which organ is imbalanced, that time the pulse is like very similar of this, then that organ is balanced. Okay, if the pulse is little bit low, for example 68 to 70, little low, then that organ is mild what? Absent. So we will not do mathematics in the law of motions with these two organs. Which two organs? For the tower line, which is the balanced one, and absent. Okay? We'll do mathematics only between the two, between sadist and masochistic. Okay? Sadistic means the pulse, there is no pulse. Or maybe there is just mild pulse. That is your sadistic. And if pulse is very high, for example 80 to 85. Okay? What is that? Masochistic. So we'll do mathematics between the only two things, the sadistic and masochistic. Understand? We will not count any organ. Why I am not drawing this organ? This organ are empty, this one empty, this one empty. Because they are balanced one. Got it? We use the law of coherence only in the law of this, like the motions, only between the sadist and masochistic. So see, this is the sadist. How we know this is the sadist? When we check the pulse, there was no pulse or just mild pulse. Okay? We'll go one step forward. Okay? When we go one step forward, then this organ is meso. Then this will be first meso. This will be first meso. And this meso is directly connected with the. So one step forward. Forward where?
Vertical.
No, vertical already done. By sadist. So where we move? Which is the second law?
Horizontal.
Where is the horizontal? From here to here?
Yeah.
Why here? Yin to yin, yang to yang.
Yeah, yin to yin.
Okay? So we'll go from here. Is there meso?
No.
Then chain is?
Broken.
Whenever chain is broken, meaning of the this organ is not troubling many people. Okay? So that means this is not a strong law. Then we will be directly back to sadist. Now we are only just done with one law of sadist. And which is the second one?
Horizontal.
Then we'll go from the here to here.
Yeah.
Is there meso?
Yes.
Then this is your
Second.
meso. And this meso also directly connected with the
Sadist.
sadist. Then one step forward where? Original is already done.
House la.
No. So which one we done? Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Then we have two options, vertical and house. So first we will go
Vertical.
Vertical.
okay. We came here vertical. Is there any meso?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
Is there any meso?
No.
Chain is back to sadist. Now we'll use the sadist third law. Yeah, first two over. Vertical over, horizontal over. Now we use the sadist third law. Which is the third?
House.
House law. Then we'll go here. Is there meso?
Yes.
Then this will be third meso. One step forward. Both sides. You can go this side also, you can go this side too. Okay? We come one step forward. Is there any meso?
Yes.
This is your
Fourth.
meso. Understand? This is the now proper inner case. Take your time, okay? You can revise it if you have any doubt. Please ask me openly, don't worry.
Can you say that which one is exclusive, which one is
That's good. Okay. Is this meso directly connected with sadist? But creating any other meso?
No,
Then which one?
it's exclusive.
Exclusive.
Exclusive. Is this meso directly connected with sadist?
Yes.
Creating any other meso?
No,
Then
exclusive.
this meso directly connected with sadist?
Yes.
Creating any other meso?
Yeah. Evident.
Evident. Is this meso directly connected with sadist? No.
Absent.
Then
Absent.
absent meso.
Absent.
Okay, always don't be confused between the absent meso and absent organ. What was the absent organ? The pulse is little bit low. In absent meso, you will not feel the speed, low speed. The speed will be high only. In the same, what we are discussing, in the same meso, means the high speed, this meso is divided in 3 parts. Okay, which one? Exclusive, evident, and absent. Okay, we are not talking about this absent. We are talking about only meso absent. In meso, there are 3 categories. Alright?
Another example, please.
Alright?
So it is. Any question to do so it is. For it's not simple.
It's okay.
So maybe ये छोटा है समझ सकते हैं. Yeah. What do you ask?
Another example.
Yeah, of course we'll go. Don't worry.
I'll give you as per me one more example. Then, and I'll go to anyone come. You just put studies meso randomly where you want to feel. Okay? Then that will be more hard. That will be more comfortable to go a little bit.
Bless you.
Okay. So, series.
How you clear this one? Pen miss out इधर.
The pen is there.
इधर भी.
I throw.
Okay. Can I check with yours?
Okay, I want to know Mr. Fortis comes from where?
So that's the house. Yeah, so this
How many
should
verses
drop.
we have?
It should
Yeah,
drop.
yeah, draw the proper lines. So. Meshes are perfect. Okay. But for mesh of 4, try to find out one more way from where the mesh of 4 can come.
So I make it as horizontal.
Well, you can correct this one.
Wait, this similar to mine. Actually, we
So-
don't allow it.
Yes, you did.
Because so this is the one product.
Yeah.
This.
No, this was
Right.
the previous one, right?
Otherwise, it
Is
will
that me?
be-
Yeah.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ
So, what are you doing? Oh, this one. I said, what are you doing here? Yeah, perfect. You have no patience, guys.